Hi y'all, happy Saturday. You have a second chance. You've got a second chance to have the very best neighbors in the whole wide world because there is another house directly next door to my parents on Classic Court that's for sale, and there's an open house today till 4, so let's go inside. The other really great thing about real estate in Orlando, I've said it before, 10% of us do 90% of the business. So when I walked in today, I was super excited to see Alaska's old baseball coach, Gary Wallace, is the list agent, and we're going to go in and say hi. So I'm going to turn this around. Nice big foyer entrance, very open and wide dining area. Living area. Guys, hi. They have snacks, everybody. Candy. The good kind. Oh, this is cool.
That's an espresso machine.
An espresso machine.
Yeah.
Okay, talk about buying a lifestyle. Definitely.
We have 2 ovens.
Two
One here
ovens.
and then right there.
Okay, a second oven. Cool.
New dishwasher. Built in there as well.
Nice. That's a big refrigerator too. It's nice and wide.
Yeah. You can open it.
Thank you. Yeah.
And then we also have here.
Oh, nice walk. That's a big pantry. Okay. It's the little things that matter, right?
It is, yeah.
The little details,
Yes.
the crown molding, baseboards, the panels. So cute. Lots of
We have
space.
stuff down here. Big laundry as well, so you have space.
Oh, yeah. Yep, and the mudroom. Definitely love
And then we have,
mudrooms.
this area so you can
Clean up.
stuff.
Mhm.
And the garage goes directly to the garage. 2-car garage.
Oh, and they've got
Big.
added storage. It's an oversized 2-car garage for sure.
Yeah. And then right here goes directly to the bathroom. And then we have, this is more the distant bedroom.
Okay.
So it's more for like in-laws, guests.
Because it has its private.
Yes, area right here.
Oh,
like
yeah.
a little gaming room. And then the bedroom right there. Room.
Okay, so this is the bedroom. Oh, and it goes, okay, cool. Yeah, definitely like if you have in-laws or guests, they would have lots of privacy in their own corner of the house here. And I know that if I'm buying this house, I'm writing in Miss Pac-Man. Miss Pac-Man would have to stay. Double doors. Kitchen. I know these videos cut off, so I'm sorry I'm walking so fast. You might want to write in the liquor cabinet.
You have 2 entrances for the bedroom. The guest bathroom right here.
Oh, so yeah, so you can shut this off and it can be
Yeah,
private.
And there's the other part as well.
Ah, okay.
Right there's the masters.
Okay.
So we have right when you turn a little office
Little
here.
cool.
So
So if you don't know where all your bills are, there they are.
and really big master as well.
And this is how I would like I'd always have this door open.
Yeah.
You know, listening to the water. The Venetian, the plantation shutters are a nice touch. I know those are super expensive to add. Big bathroom. Oh, you can warm up your towels. Definitely buying a lifestyle here in Bay Hill, like I've said before. Whether you golf or not, this is an amazing place to live. And it was in a really wonderful place to grow up. Nice big closet, lots of space. Really quality finishings. Excuse me. Again, sorry I'm going so fast, but these videos cut off. So that's the other entrance from the living area. Okay. Bedroom.
There's a shared bathroom right there as well.
Okay, so a Jack and Jill. Okay, nice with a double vanity. Hey y'all. This is a big space. Yeah, I like the layout of this room. This would be my room. Why? Because I love shoes. Okay, and lots of extra storage in the hallway closets. Oh, water heat, cooler, air handler, and linens, I think. Ah, no, electric panel. All right, let's head out to the pool area real quick. Okay. And then the best part of this open house is when I came in. Said,
Hi there. How you doing?
like I said, there's 10% of the realtors in Orlando doing all the business. All right.
Absolutely.
If you can't make it here before 4, call me and I can give you a private showing.
Yes.
Bye.
Bye.